Okay children, in previous class we have discussed algebraic expression, isn't it? So we have discussed algebraic expression, then we have seen what are the terms in an algebraic expression, and from the terms we have seen the factors. So today also let's start with algebraic expression of example. Okay, can you give an example for an algebraic expression? You have learned in the previous class what is an algebraic expression. What is it? Yes, it is an expression which contains numbers and variables connected with the symbols. Which are the symbols? Yeah, plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here I am taking an algebraic expression 5x square y, okay, plus 2xy. Okay, look at this expression. It's an algebraic expression. How many variables? Yes, two variables. Which are the two variables? X and y. Correct. X and y are the two variables connected with the symbol. Which symbol? Addition. Okay. So in previous class we have seen the tree diagram to know the terms. So what are the terms? You know that. What are the terms in this expression? How many terms are there in this expression? How many terms are there? Terms are separated with addition sign or subtraction sign. So the terms are 5x square y and the second term is 2xy. So these are the terms. Okay. Now from the terms, these are known as terms. There are two terms. And from each term we see the factors. What are the factors? Look at the first term. Check the factors. Which are the factors? First factor is 5. Second factor is x squared. What is the meaning of x squared? Yes, multiplying x 2 times. So x, again x. So 5 into x into x. Then the third next factor, y. So all these factors, when you multiply, we will get the term. Then here we get 2 first factor, then x second factor, third y. So we have 3 factors. Here also we have 3 factors. X and x will become x squared. Okay. Now in these factors we can see number as well as variables. These numbers are known as number factors. Number factors, that is, or numerical factors. Numbers, the factors which are in number form, they are known as numerical factors, and numbers and the factors which are in the form of letters. There are letters, they are variables. Factors which are in the form of variables. Those factors are known as algebraic factors. So in each term, in every term, we could see factors, 2 types of factors, numerical factors and algebraic factors. Now these factors are given a special name. Okay, so the numerical factors are given the name numerical coefficients. Coefficients. So you are learning a new term. The new term is coefficients. Okay, so numerical coefficients. So numerical factors are given the name numerical coefficients and algebraic factors are given the name literal coefficients. Literal coefficients. So So now you are learning a new term. The new term is coefficients. So coefficients are what? Coefficients are the factors present in each term of the algebraic expression. Okay, so let's see the first one. So in general we can say coefficients are the factors present in a term. Okay, for example, let's see the first term, the 5x square y. So 5x square y. So 5 is called the numerical coefficient, x and y. X square is there, y is there. X variables. Variables are called the literal coefficients. Okay. So, what is the coefficient of 5? If I ask you from this term, what is the coefficient of 5? So, we can say, what are the factors along with 5? Okay. What are the variables connected with 5? Those variables as together, they are known as the coefficient of this 5. So the coefficient of 5 is the coefficient of 5 is, what are the remaining factors? The remaining factors are x square y. So those factors product, that is known as the coefficient of 5. Okay. Now if I change the question, what is the coefficient of x square? So you have to look that term and see x square, the variable part, and what is connected with x square. What are the other factors along with x square? What are the other factors along with x square? 5 and y. So the coefficient of x square is the coefficient of x square is, so the coefficient of x square is, look at here the term x square, what are the other factors? 5 and y, so 5y. Okay, so what do you mean by coefficient? Coefficients are factors. There are two types of coefficients. Which are the two types of coefficients? Numerical coefficients and literal coefficients. So coefficients are, what do you mean by coefficients? What are coefficients? Okay, coefficients are factors. They are factors in a term. Okay. There are two types of coefficients. Which are there? Numerical coefficients and literal coefficients. Okay. Now through example, you will understand more. So I am going to give example. Okay, minus 2xy plus 6. Look at this algebraic expression, minus 2xy plus 6. Okay, so the question is, what is the coefficient? What is the coefficient of x? Okay, so you have to look the term which contain the variable x. Okay, which is the term having the variable x. So how many terms are here in this expression? How many terms? Exactly, 2 terms. So 2 terms are minus 2xy and the second term is 6. So you need to look the term which is having the variable x. Okay, so its coefficient, x coefficient, the coefficient of x is the factors, the other factors. So what are the other factors? Yes, minus 2 and y. So the answer is the coefficient of x is minus 2y. Okay? And another question is here. What do you call this 6? 6 is not having any variable. No letter is connected to 6. So 6 is known as the term which does not have any variable. The term which does not contain any variable, that is known as constant term. Term with no variable. Variable means letters is known as constant. It's known as constant. Okay, so you have learned two new terms today, that is coefficients and constant. What are coefficients? Coefficients are factors in each term. How many types of coefficients? Two, numerical and literal. So numerical, so if your question is, what is the numerical coefficient in this term? Then what do you say? The numerical coefficient is minus 2. What are the literal coefficients in this term? The literal coefficients are x and y. Okay. So generally coefficients are factors in every term.